Properties of matrix multiplication. We have the associative property of matrix multiplication, which tells us that we can take matrices A times B and multiply them by C. And that's the same thing as if we took matrix A and multiplied it by matrices B and C. So basically this is just a grouping property. I have a little typo here. This should be up here. So we have the distributive properties of multiplication, and the first one says that A times B plus C equals AB plus AC. So this distributive property works the same way with matrices as it would with just normal numbers. We also have a property, the distributive property of matrix multiplication, that states A plus B times C equals A times C plus B times C. So you can distribute from the front or you can distribute from the back. And then our last property is the associative property of scalar multiplication, and this is another grouping property. C times AB equals C times A times B. Notice how there's no such thing as the commutative property of matrix multiplication. So the commutative property does not apply. Because order matters, right? If you have a 2 by 3 matrix and a 3 by 6 matrix, you can multiply them because these two numbers are the same. But if you change the order of your matrices and do the 3 by 6 and the 3 by 2, you wouldn't be able to multiply those two because these two numbers aren't the same. So the commutative property doesn't work with matrix multiplication.